Yo, what's up with it, man? I got some breaking news for you. Sidney Powell, one of Donald Trump's co-defendants in Georgia election conspiracy case, pleads guilty, courtesy of USA Today. A second co-defendant with Donald Trump in the Georgia election conspiracy case, Sidney Powell, pleaded guilty Thursday to a half-dozen misdemeanors dealing with a conspiracy to interfere in the 2020 election. Legal experts said Powell's central role in the conspiracy as an election lawyer who baselessly claimed widespread election fraud in 2020 could have an impact on other defendants charged in the alleged racketeering conspiracy that sought to keep Trump in power. Powell is the second co-defendant to plead guilty in the case after bail bondsman Scott Hall. Ms. Powell is at the vortex, the center, the hub of the alleged conspiracy, said Janine Rossi, who handled racketeer-influenced and corrupt organization cases in his 3 decades as a former federal prosecutor and Justice Department official. She would be a phenomenal witness for the government because she was at strategic meetings, part of important conversations, and she was a leader implementing the scheme to discredit the lawful election of Joe Biden. Powell was initially charged with racketeering and 6 other counts as part of a wide-ranging scheme to overturn the election so Trump could remain in power. She was charged with tampering with election equipment in Coffee County, Georgia. She pleaded guilty to 1 count of conspiracy to commit theft by taking and 5 counts of conspiracy to commit international interference with performance of election duties. Powell agreed to testify in future trials in exchange for serving 6 years of probation, a $6,000 fine, and paying restitution of $2,700. Powell's agreement fell under Georgia's First Offender Act, which will allow her to honestly say she was never convicted of the charges if she successfully completes her probation and is discharged, according to prosecutor Daisha Young. If Powell violates the term of her first offender sentence or commits another offense while on probation, her first offender status could be revoked and she could be resentenced to the maximum, Young said. And there go the attorney, Sidney Powell, who has pleaded guilty in the Donald Trump election fraud case. All right, man, that's one of the breaking news stories for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, and I'll catch y'all on the next episode. Peace.